Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Beauty Blender is probably one of the most iconic and essential tools in any makeup artist's kit, revolutionizing the way we apply foundation and concealer with its unique, edgeless design that ensures a streak-free, airbrushed finish every single time, making it a must-have for achieving flawless-looking skin whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. Number 5. BEAKEY Makeup Sponge Set 5-Pack. Discover the BEAKEY Makeup Sponge Set, a collection of 5 essential beauty tools. These sponges are designed for a flawless makeup application. Experience the incredibly soft texture that feels gentle on your skin. They are perfect for applying all your favorite makeup products. Our unique microporous design ensures minimal product absorption. This means less waste and more product on your face. Crafted without latex, these sponges are ideal for those with sensitive skin. Enjoy a comfortable and irritation-free makeup routine. Whether you prefer powder or cream formulas, these sponges blend effortlessly. Achieve a seamless finish every time you use them. Elevate your makeup game with this versatile set. It's the perfect addition to any beauty collection for achieving professional results at home. What we like. This set offers low absorption, meaning less product waste. It's also latex-free for sensitive skin. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with multiple sponges for various uses, this is a great choice. What people say. These sponges are surprisingly high quality for the price, soft, squishy, and they expand nicely when damp. They blend foundation, concealer, and even cream blush really smoothly without leaving streaks or soaking up too much product. The texture and flexibility of these sponges make them easy to use for both precision and larger areas, whether you're blending around the nose or applying foundation to the full face. They work just as effectively with liquid, cream, and powder products, providing seamless blending with minimal product absorption, which is a huge plus for extending product usage. The pointed tip gets into nose creases and around my eyes, while the rounded end is perfect for cheeks and forehead blending. Number 4. Aesthetica Cosmetics Beauty Sponge Blender. Achieve a perfect, edgeless makeup application every day. This is the only blending sponge you'll ever need for a flawless finish. Its rounded end is perfect for blending on cheeks, while the precision tip easily covers imperfections. Use the flat edge for contouring around the nose and eyes. Get an enhanced, smooth complexion that looks airbrushed flawless. It's designed to give you a beautiful and seamless look. Made from non-latex foam, it's 100% vegan and cruelty-free. Simple to use and clean, it's ideal for everyone from beginners to professionals. Experience maximum coverage with minimal product absorption. This makeup sponge is designed to last and provide a natural, flawless look. You can use it wet or dry, gently dabbing it into your makeup. Bounce it along your skin for a natural, flawless finish. What we like. Achieve a flawless, airbrushed finish with its unique edgeless design. This versatile tool works with all makeup types. If you desire seamless blending and a smooth complexion, this is the sponge for you. What people say. It enlarges once it's wet. Not really big, but a noticeable difference. I use less makeup with this sponge than I do with brushes or other sponges, and it blends the makeup out evenly and beautifully to where it almost looks like your makeup was airbrushed on. The material is nice and it feels very well made. I like this a lot more than the Beauty Blender, which I feel is cheaply made. Number 3. Beautyblender Pro Blender Makeup Sponge. Introducing the Beautyblender Pro Blender, your new essential for a flawless makeup application. Achieve a streak-free finish every time you use it. This versatile sponge is designed to effortlessly blend liquid foundations, powders, and creams. Get a seamless look with minimal effort. Say goodbye to streaks and hello to perfection. Its unique material ensures an even distribution of product for a smooth, airbrushed effect. Feel good about your beauty choices. It is proudly vegan and cruelty-free, so you can enhance your look with confidence. Crafted with care in the USA, this makeup sponge represents quality and innovation. Experience the difference of a premium blending tool. What we like. Experience professional-grade blending for a streak-free finish. It's designed for all makeup formulas. If you're a makeup enthusiast aiming for salon-quality results at home, this is the ultimate tool. What people say. The sponge expands well when damp, helps to fix when I use too much makeup on a spot, and helps create a smooth, natural finish without streaks or heavy product buildup. It blends foundation and other products so well, it gives a smooth, natural, airbrushed look. It makes makeup application so seamless and helps you blend perfectly. Number 2. Beautyblender Micro Mini Pro Black. Introducing the Micro Mini Pro Black, your new essential for flawless makeup application. This super soft foam sponge is designed for precision. Achieve seamless blending of concealers and highlighters with ease. Its unique texture ensures a streak-free finish every time. Crafted with care in the USA, this sponge guarantees quality and performance. It's built to last. Enjoy the convenience of a reusable and washable tool. Keep it clean and ready for your next makeup look. Its compact size is ideal for detailed application, ensuring every part of your face is perfectly blended. Get the professional look you desire. This pack includes 2 sponges, so you always have one ready. Experience the difference it makes in your makeup routine. What we like. Perfect for detailed work, these mini sponges excel at blending concealers and highlighters. Their small size allows for precise application in hard-to-reach areas. If you focus on targeted concealing or highlighting, these are indispensable. What people say. The sponge expands well when damp, helps to fix when I use too much makeup on a spot, and helps create a smooth, natural finish without streaks or heavy product buildup. It blends foundation and other products so well, it gives a smooth, natural, airbrushed look. This sponge has the perfect amount of density, not too firm but not too flimsy. Number 1. Foonbe 7PCS Makeup Sponge Set. Achieve a perfect makeup look with our versatile blender sponges. They are designed for seamless application of liquid, cream, and powder products. Our sponges are made from latex-free materials, ensuring a gentle touch on your skin. Enjoy a comfortable and safe makeup experience. This set includes 7 multicolored sponges, plus a mini sponge for detailed application. You'll have the right tool for any makeup task. We believe in beauty without compromise. Our sponges are vegan and cruelty-free, so you can feel good about your choices. Effortlessly blend your foundation, concealer, and powders for a smooth, airbrushed finish. These sponges make professional results achievable at home. Add a pop of color to your beauty routine with these vibrant sponges. They deliver exceptional performance, ensuring your makeup looks its best. What we like. This value pack provides multiple colors and sizes for all your makeup needs. It's latex-free and vegan, ensuring a gentle application. If you appreciate variety and want a set that caters to different makeup techniques and preferences, this is an excellent option. What people say. They're soft, expand nicely when damp, and blend foundation and concealer smoothly without soaking up too much product. I like that the set includes different shapes, which makes it easy to get into smaller areas like under the eyes. They wash well and hold their shape after cleaning. The sponges are super soft, expand well when damp, and don't soak up too much product. Whether I'm using foundation, concealer, or powder, they blend everything evenly without streaks. The variety of shapes is great. The mini one is perfect for getting under the eyes or around the nose, and the others work well for different finishes and areas of the face. The quality is outstanding. They're soft yet firm enough to give a flawless, airbrushed finish. What really stood out to me was how well they applied my foundation and concealer. The product blends effortlessly into my skin with no streaks or patchiness. They wash well without falling apart. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.